We should begin with what precisely Nano and its elements are. Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The emphasis is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other digital currencies. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Can Nano beat the market? Nano plans to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was likewise planned with new information structures and different systems to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The insignificant block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, subsequently decreasing the exchange affirmation times, making it quicker. Without the customary confirmation of work and mining, hubs utilize fundamentally less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano involves a design for each block which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-produced verification of work esteem, a QoS prioritization component permitting an intermittent client exchange to process at quick rates. This exchange requires some investment and almost no time to be executed on present-day computer chips. This lightweight construction makes Nano ultra-quick. Nano additionally has a creative agreement instrument called Open Agent casting a ballot. In this, a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's benefit, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a huge part of time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they see on the organization. This is one more component of the Nano coins which separates them from the opposition. With no direct money-related motivation for the hubs, this makes a superior future for the organization's decentralization. Nano digital money, market opinion. Nano is a worked-on Bitcoin, it could be said, with an emphasis on straightforward blocks that empowers quick exchanges. Basically, Nano stores exchange information in a block development, similar to blockchain-based more modest ventures. It is not difficult to refresh and get it utilizing this while additionally guaranteeing that blockchain usefulness is kept up with at max execution. Nano centers around giving an individual a more straightforward method for getting to Bitcoin innovation and entering their lives. Hence, the emphasis is more on adaptability and less on encryption advancements that empower mysterious exchanges that are challenging to follow. The improvement group needs to make exchanges quicker, guaranteeing that the innovation stays versatile with less accentuation on security. Along these lines, the probability of the public authority attempting to boycott Nano digital currency is altogether less. It very well may be conceivable that legislatures themselves gain from this innovation and empower a computerized money in their own nations as a swap for cash, like how the computerized yen was presented in China. Right now, it is challenging to buy Nano as it isn't commonly known. However, what makes Nano amazing is its charge-less installments. We should investigate the conceivable crypto projections and conjectures for the Nano esteem from the business specialists. In view of our Nano cost expectation 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Nano cost figure for 2027 is $12.27. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 403.03%. The ongoing cost of Nano digital currency is exchanging above $2.41. According to our Nano cost gauge, the coin could stir things up around town value level of $2.99 and the greatest value level of $3.39. The typical value level of Nano for the ongoing year may be around $3.18 according to our Nano cost expectation. The Nano cost is estimated to break the typical value level of $2.73 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $3.42. The base cost is $2.32. Nano cost has been showing a rising propensity, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's to come. The future cost of Nano is anticipated at $5.13 after the ongoing year, as per our Nano cost expectation. As per our specialized examination on past value information of Nano, in 2022, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $3.08. The Nano cost can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of $3.62 with a typical cost of $3.20 according to our momentary gauge. The Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability isn't acting insane right now, and the cost diagram is by all accounts keeping a decent sideways pattern. The RSI marker is drawing closer, the oversold condition approaching 30 worth. On the off chance that the purchase signal is set off, the holding period ought to likewise integrate the sideways pattern, and the probability of how postponed the sell sign will be. Nano value expectations, 2022 to 2026. Nano value expectations are challenging to frame since the hidden essential examination isn't possible since it comes up short on new inclusion. The upsides and downsides are strong. That is, it is exceptionally simple to execute. The exchanges are free with no secret charges. The framework is dependable. and the improvement group is as yet buckling down on it. In any case, the disadvantages are likewise there. Like, purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, the worthiness is non-existent since it isn't quite known external a little circle. This makes it extremely challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost expectation. Additionally, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of gigantic unpredictability. Nano Value Forecast 2022. In view of the positive mechanical advancement, any reasonable person would agree that it is workable for the Nano cost to beat market returns till 2026, assuming the Nano cost rise arrives at the highs of 2018. All things considered, the probability of that incident likewise depends on the way that what drives the market for its reception. The cost could reach $3.39 in the year 2022. Nano Value Forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $4.05, least cost at $3.51, and the typical cost at $3.85. All the cost levels mirror the indication of expansion in the cost. Nano Value Expectation 2024. There is plausible of long-haul procuring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. The cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $4.65, least degree of $3.25, and the typical degree of $4.04 in the year 2024. Nano Value Forecast 2025. According to the Nano Cost Forecast, the cost of Nano could reach $5.69 in the year 2025. Assuming the cost arrives at up to this level, it will be useful for speculation purposes. Nano Value Expectation 2026. In light of the Nano cost expectation, the Nano cost could go down to $4.71 in the year 2026. However, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it very well may be utilized any place on the planet. According to the venture exhortation from the monetary consultants, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated as a result of the absence of national banks to control it and having no genuine worth. This was trailed by immense selling and a cost change as short merchants likewise began to dump the virtual monetary standards and sell Nano. Most would agree that assuming the coin mirrors an upswing and returns to its record-breaking high, it would probably continue a pattern that other cryptographic forms of money will likewise continue on the lookout. In the above Nano USD cost outline, there is a help level between $1.50 to $2. With transient patterns enduring half a month, one might say that we just have a help level. There is no unmistakable obstruction level. Yet if one somehow managed to frame an opposition level, it would be close to $2.63. The typical cost level for the year 2022 is close $3.18 according to the Nano figure, while the ongoing cost is $2.46. For this situation, on the off chance that clients need to carry out specialized examination for exchanging, they can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, or they can have a go at holding for quite some time and assuming there is no cost instability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the